Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, September 30 to October 2, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, October 1st, Thursday. We have a slight amihan blowing down across the extreme northern parts of Luzon through the next 24 hours. So this is known as the Northeasterly Surface Windflow, and it could bring some cloudy conditions, breezy, windy, with some moderate to rough seas along these areas. And thunderstorm activity will also be expected along the extreme northern parts of Luzon. That includes Ilocos provinces, northern Cagayan, and particularly the Batanes and Babuyan group of islands. Elsewhere, we have some fair weather without any major weather systems, except in the afternoon or evening, there could be some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. Here across the Kalayana Island group, we have the Southwesterly Surface Windflow, Southwesterlies, also known as weak habagat. And it could bring some partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. Outside of PAR, we have a shallow low pressure area in the vicinity of central Micronesia along Chuuk State. And it has a trough extending towards the northern Mariana Islands, affecting Guam and Saipan area. And we have here a developing or an exiting frontal system following the track of tropical storm Kujira, which is now an extratropical cyclone. It can no longer be seen on this weather chart. And we have here a subtropical low, since it developed over the subtropics, and it's moving towards the east-southeast, and it could become another frontal system as it follows the track of first frontal system to the east. And so far, that's the latest from our end. As we look at our fast animation, normal conditions across the rest of the Philippine Islands, and some developing troughs and low pressure here. So nothing to worry about. We will keep you updated when there's a potential tropical cyclone forming for the next few weeks. So far, it's still uncertain where the next development will occur, and we will keep you updated in the coming days. Now let's take a look at our zoom-in satellite animation. As you can see here, as the morning and afternoon progresses, you can observe clear skies across most of the Philippine Islands except extreme northern Luzon due to the northeasterly surface wind flow blowing down. And as we move into the afternoon, you can see this satellite loop, very quiet Philippine Islands, with some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms now forming across Mindanao and parts of the Visayas, while over Luzon maybe in the next few hours. But you can see some quiet winds across the Philippine Islands, variable. So there's no longer the habagat, and since we are moving into October, so we will see furthermore the development of the amihan in the next few weeks, particularly when November comes. And as we look at our 3-day or 2-day rain and wind forecast from windy.com, courtesy of ECMWF, on Thursday afternoon, tomorrow, 4 p.m., we could observe some forecast of isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across most parts of Luzon, particularly in extreme northern Luzon, because of the convergence of the northeasterly and variable winds here. And also here over the Bicol region, some convective cloudiness which could transform into severe thunderstorms, as well as over northern Mindanao, where elsewhere we'll have some isolated light or low to moderate chances of localized thunderstorms. And as we proceed on Friday, still same weather situation, some possible severe thunderstorms across northern and parts of central Luzon, eastern Visayas, Palawan, some low to mid chances of thunderstorms over central and western Visayas, as well as some parts of Mindanao. Bicol region will have low to mid chances or moderate chances of afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms on Friday, but it is much higher for tomorrow, Thursday afternoon. So before we leave you, here is the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for 2 weeks. For week 1, that will be on September 30 to October 6. We could see here the possible formation of another tropical cyclone here because of that trough here and the shallow LPA over central Micronesia. So it won't visit the Philippines, normal climate over the Philippine Islands. And on week 2, October 7 to 13, some moderate chances of a tropical cyclone formation to the west of the Philippines, east of northern Vietnam or near Hainan. And again, the Philippines is safe from any tropical cyclone development. And so far, that's the latest from our tropical update here at Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting, and we will be back on Friday to give you more tropical updates. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our weather channel.